everyone, and welcome to Excel Chapter 7. This week we are going to complete Guided Project 7-3. Skills covered in this project: find and clear data validation settings, set data validation with an error alert, insert a spin form control, set properties for spin button control, protect a worksheet, add and remove the developer tab. Open the Placer Hills -07 start file, click the enable editing button. The file will be renamed automatically to include your name as always. Note that the number error appears in 3 cells. This is because the data for the PMT formula in cell H15 is missing. Okay? Find and clear data validation settings. Click the Find and Select button, Home tab, Editing Group, and choose Go to Special. Select the Option button for data validation. Click OK. The cells with data validation settings are highlighted. Click the Data Validation button, Data tab, Data Tools group. Click Clear All on the Settings tab and leave the dialog box open. Set data validation with an error alert. Verify that the following cells in the worksheet are selected: C9 to C12, H9, H11, H13, 14, and H16. If they are not, close the Data Validation dialog box, select the cells, and click the Data Validation button. Click the Allow arrow and choose Decimal. On the Settings tab, click the Data arrow and choose Greater Than or Equal To. Click the minimum box and type 0. Click the Error Alert tab and verify that the Show Alert after invalid data is entered box is selected. Verify that Stop displays as the style. Click the title box and type Required. Click the error message box and type Please enter a positive value, period. Click OK. Display the Developer tab on the ribbon if it is not shown. Select the Options command, File tab, and click Custom Ribbon in the left pane. Select the Developer box in the Main tabs group and click OK. Insert a spin button form control. Show the grid lines on the worksheet, View tab. Click the Insert Controls button, Developer tab, Controls group. Click the Spin button, Form Control button. Draw a control directly over cells I-21 and I-22. I always start in the left-hand corner, work to the right, and then down. Right-click the control and choose Format Control. Click the minimum value box on the Control tab and type 1. Set a maximum value of 8. These are agent identification numbers, 1 through 8. Click the cell link box and select cell H22. The choice made by the spin button will be placed in this cell. Verify that the 3D shading box is selected and click OK. Click cell D4 to deselect the control. Protect the worksheet for data entry. Select cells D4 to E4. Press the control and select cells C9 to C12, H9, H11, H13 to 14, H16, H22, E22. Click the Format button, Home tab, Cells group, select Lock Cells, and the reason why is we're getting ready to unlock. You can tell that it's locked, so click Lock Cells to remove the locked property. Click the Protect Sheet button, Review tab, Changes group. Allow the options to select locked and unlocked cells. Do not use a password. Click OK. Delete the contents in cell C9 to C10, H9, H16. Select cell C9 and type 450,000. Press enter. The cells are formatted and formulas are calculated. Type 775,000 in cell C10 and press enter. Select cell H9, type 485,000 and press enter. Type 75,000 and cell H11. Enter data in cells H13, H14, and H16 as follows. H13, 30, H14, 4.25, H16, 850. Click the spin box control arrows to select 3 as the ID agent. Select cell E22 and type 1875. Remove the Developer tab. Click the Options button, File tab, and click Custom Ribbon or Customize Ribbon in the left pane. Deselect the Developer box in the Main Tabs group and click OK. Save and close your workbook. Upload your project file for grading. Alright, if you get stuck this week, be sure to use the Ask Dr. Barnes a Question tab located in Blackboard. Good luck and let me know how it goes.